Did you know that intermittent fasting, once considered a fad, has become the secret weapon of choice for numerous celebrities and athletes worldwide? From Hugh Jackman to Terry Crews, an increasing number of high-profile figures swear by this unconventional dietary approach to maintain their peak physique and enhance performance. But amidst the buzz, what's the real deal behind intermittent fasting versus traditional dieting? In the realm of dieting, intermittent fasting has emerged as a formidable contender, captivating the masses with its promises of weight loss, improved health markers, and enhanced vitality. Unlike traditional dieting, which often revolves around calorie counting and meal restrictions, intermittent fasting focuses on when to eat rather than what to eat. The concept is simple: alternate periods of eating with periods of fasting. What sets intermittent fasting apart is its surprising versatility and adaptability. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, practitioners can choose from various fasting protocols, including the popular 16-8 method, which is 16 hours fasting and 8 hours eating, alternate day fasting, or even periodic extended fasts lasting 24 hours or more. This flexibility has contributed to intermittent fasting's widespread appeal, attracting not only everyday individuals seeking weight loss, but also elite athletes and A-list celebrities looking to optimize their performance and longevity. Take Hugh Jackman, for example, whose chiseled physique as Wolverine in the X-Men films has become the epitome of fitness goals. Jackman reportedly utilized intermittent fasting to prepare for his role, crediting the dietary approach for helping him shed fat while preserving lean muscle mass. Similarly, Terry Crews, known for his imposing stature and athletic prowess, has openly endorsed intermittent fasting as a key component of his health and fitness regimen. These celebrity endorsements have catapulted intermittent fasting into the mainstream spotlight, sparking curiosity and intrigue among health-conscious individuals worldwide. But what about traditional dieting, the time-tested method of calorie restriction and portion control? While intermittent fasting may have stolen the spotlight in recent years, traditional dieting still holds its ground as a viable weight loss strategy. By creating a calorie deficit through controlled food intake and increased physical activity, traditional dieters can achieve similar results to intermittent fasting, albeit through a different approach. Where traditional dieting shines is in its structure and predictability. With clear guidelines on calorie consumption and food choices, traditional dieters can navigate their weight loss journey with confidence and precision. Moreover, traditional diets accommodate diverse dietary preferences and restrictions, making them accessible to a wide range of individuals. So, which approach reigns supreme? Intermittent fasting or traditional dieting? The truth lies in the nuances and individual differences. While intermittent fasting offers flexibility and potential health benefits beyond weight loss, traditional dieting provides structure and guidance for those who thrive on routine and discipline. Ultimately, the most effective strategy is the one that aligns with your lifestyle, preferences, and goals. Whether you're drawn to the freedom of intermittent fasting or the structure of traditional dieting, remember that sustainable weight loss is not a sprint but a marathon. By embracing a balanced approach to eating and prioritizing overall health and well-being, you can unveil the truth behind intermittent fasting versus traditional dieting and embark on a journey towards lasting transformation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.